Hello again, my students. Today our lesson is going to be about the participial adjectives, formation and meaning. I am bored. You are boring. What is the difference between these two sentences? This is what are we going to talk about in this lesson. Now, we have to know that we are focusing on the adjectives. So in this lesson we are talking about adjectives. When we add ing or when we add ed. Now in general we have to know that the adjectives modify or describes the nouns or the pronouns. So the adjectives modify the nouns or the pronouns. Let's have a look at these examples. Now, the points of light are dazzling. The dazzled observers couldn't stop looking at the point of light. What is the difference between dazzling and dazzled? In the first example below, dazzling describes the points of light, and the adjective dazzled describes the observers. They are dazzled observers. What that means? Now here we have to know that ing, we use it to describe something that has no feelings. But the ed, when we add it to the adjective, we use it to describe the feeling of someone. The feeling or the feelings of someone. Okay? So here we are describing the lights, which has no feelings. And here we are describing the observers. Dazzled observers. So the observers has feeling or have feelings. So what? We use ed for the adjective. Let's talk about it more and more. Now, he is bored. He is bored. These books are boring. So bored with ed, we use it to describe the feelings of this man or this boy. But these books are boring. The ing for this adjective, we use it to describe something which has no feelings, like the books. Okay, so let's have a look here. So ing, we use it to describe the characteristics of a person or a thing or a situation. Okay, now the ed, we use it to describe the feeling or an emotion of someone. Okay, let's have a look at these examples also. I am tired right now. My flight was tiring. What is the difference? What is the difference? Tired, it means the feelings. My feelings. I feel tired. Okay? My flight was tiring. I'm describing something that has no feelings. So I'm describing something, something, which is not a feeling. Okay? Public toilets are sometimes disgusting. I'm disgusted by the smell of them. So here I'm describing something that has no feelings, and here I'm describing my feelings. And this is what we also talked about. The ing, we use it to describe the characteristics of a person or a thing or a situation, but ed, we use it to describe the feeling of a person or the emotion of a person. Okay, and let's have a look at at this example. Here we have to compare the difference between these two sentences. My girlfriend is bored and my girlfriend is boring. What is the difference between these two sentences? My girlfriend is bored. Here I'm describing the feeling of my girlfriend. Okay, so I'm describing the feeling of a person. My girlfriend is boring. Here I'm describing the characteristics of my girlfriend. My girlfriend is a boring person. So I'm not describing her feelings, no. I'm describing the characteristics of her. Here we have some examples like amazed or amazing. Amazed, feelings. Amazing, an experience, or I'm describing something or the characteristics of something. And the same thing here if we want to know. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I think it was easy to you. And if you have any question, please don't forget to ask me, and bye bye.